Welcome back, and now we will see pandas filtering. Okay, so first of all, pandas filtering means a subset of data frame rows and columns according to the specified index labels. Like we just want to extract some values according to the some condition. It filter a data frame on its content. Filter is applied to the labels of the index. Okay, so here we are taking an example like our data inside this data frame df, it have salaries data. So from the salaries data set, we just want to access the person whose salary is greater than 1,20,000. Okay, so salary is a column. For that, what we will write? First of all, we need to check the person whose salary is greater than 1,25,000. Sorry, 1,20,000. So df of salary. You can see this column will give you only the salary, and you just want to check the salary greater than 1,20,000. For this, we need to write the condition. Okay. Now you can see we are getting true false. Means some rows are fulfilling this condition, some are not. So for this is only providing you a condition. If you want to access the data for this condition, then you need to pass this to df. df is original data frame, and inside the df we need to pass this condition. Now you can see the output. These are the rows that satisfy this condition, like person who have salary greater than 1,20,000 only. Okay, so here we have written this thing. Similarly, df underscore sub, we assign these rows to a variable called df underscore sub, and then we have printed df underscore sub dot head. So we are getting only the top 5 records, the person who satisfy this condition. Okay, so if you want to select the data, conditionally data from your data frame, then you will use the filtering. The second example you can take here, select the data for the female professors only. I just want to access the data of female professors only. Then what I will write? I can write here df sex equals to female. So for the filtering, I can give the condition less than, greater than, equal, not equal, like these. All the conditions I can provide inside the df. So here sex equals to female, and this will give you the records of only the female professors. Now we will do a exercise like using filtering, find mean value of salary for the discipline A. Just pause the video and practice this question. Okay, I hope you have solved this question. I'll show you the answer. Like what we will do, first we will select the discipline A. After that, we will select only the salary column, and then we will apply the mean function. And you can see the output. Okay, so this is the data frame filtering. Similar concept, we can do the sorting also in the data frame. So how to do the sorting? We can sort the data by using particular columns. Like here, sort the data frame by years of service and create a new data frame. So service, using the service column, we will sort our data frame. So df dot, here we will call a function sort underscore values, and inside this function we need to pass the column name. So sort underscore values by is equal to, inside the single quotes we need to provide the column header. So by default it will sort ascending order. You can see the output like it is sorted according to the service, and it is sorted in the increasing order, ascending order. Like here we have only the 0, 0, after that 0, 1, 2, like this. We have printed only the top 5 records. Okay, and we can pass the parameter like we just want to sort the decreasing order, or like we just want to see the output, some other parameters also. So here we have provided 2 more things, ascending is equal to false and in place is equal to true. So you can see the output now. Now it is in decreasing order. Here one more parameter we have used, in place is equal to true. In place is equal to true is used, it perform operation on the data and nothing is returned. When in place is equal to false, it is used, it perform operation on the data and returns a new copy of data. Okay, and we have a sorted short underscore values function. Using the short underscore values function, we can use the another function called short underscore index. We can sort the data using the index. Previously, we have sorted data using a particular column. Now we just want to sort the data using the index. So here we are taking axis is equal to 0 and ascending is equal to 2 and in place is equal to 2. So by sorting using the index, you can see the output and these are the sorted according to the index. Okay, so like this we can do the sorting in the data frame. You can take a simple exercise like sort the data frame by the salary in descending order and display the first few records of the output. So what we will do, short underscore values by is equal to salary, ascending is equal to false and dot head. Similarly, the second question, sort the data frame using 2 or more columns. Then what we can do here, like by is equal to service and salary and ascending is equal to first column is ascending true and second column is ascending false. Okay. So like this, we can do the sorting and filtering in Pandas data frame.